I think the funniest question I have received regarding the Cheelee app is someone asking me, Mandy, is the Cheelee app real or fake? Because me, I think that app is fake. Oh, because how do you be that there's an app that exists that will be paying you for watching videos? Not that you are the one creating videos and posting on the platform. You are just on the platform to watch videos and then they are paying you for watching videos. Mandy, I feel like this app is not real, it's fake. And honestly speaking, when this person told me this person actually told me this thing like in real life, one-on-one, not even a comment this time around. And I was just laughing when the person told me. I'm like, I do this thing as well. It's real, it's not fake. It's real, it's not fake. It took a lot of convincing. I had to, open my phone, show the person the Cheelee app on my phone. The person saw the amount I've earned. The person saw my account that I even have over 30,000 followers. I get donations and everything. So this app is real. I used to think it's fake. I'm like, no, the Cheelee app is real and the app is not fake. So if you are like this person and you think that the Cheelee app is not a real app, is a fake app or anything like that, I'm here to let you know that the Cheelee app is not fake, is real, and it is something that you can do as well. And what you need for it is just your smartphone device. Okay, I use an Android for it, even though some people have complained that maybe it's not working on their iPhone. I don't know, but I think maybe it's just lower versions of iPhones that is not working on. Okay, so if you want to get started on Cheelee, it's very, very, very easy. Just go to your app store or your Play Store to go and download the app. And if you want a $3 sign-up bonus as a first-time user, you can go and use the link in the description of this video. I'm going to drop my link in the description of this video. Go and use that link and, click on the link. It's going to take you directly to your app store or your Play Store. Download the app, register, and start using the app. Now, before I get into how you can start using the app and the benefits of the application, I just want to introduce myself briefly for the sake of those seeing me for the very first time. My name is Mandy Rachael, and on this channel, I teach you ways whereby you can leverage on your smartphone device to make money online for yourself. So if you are somebody that is looking to leverage on your smartphone to make money online, you want to learn smartphone tips and anything that has to do with smartphone to further increase and improve your smartphone productivity, tap on that subscribe button right now. Very, very important. Subscribe, tap on the bell icon right beside it, turn on post notifications for all of my videos so that when I drop new videos, you are going to be the first to know. And as well, give this video a thumbs up. Very, very, very important. Give it a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm show it to more people like you looking for videos like this so that they get to watch and learn as well. Finally, if you have any question at all, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Drop your questions in the comment section. And if you just want to appreciate me in the comment section, drop your appreciations in the comment section as well. Now, moving on into the Cheelee app. Okay, once you download the app, it's very, very easy to use and very, very straightforward. You're going to get a free glass. This free glass is going to make you $10 in 3 days. Now, after 3 days, when you've earned your $10, you would need to withdraw. You can withdraw to any bank account of your choice, either Zenith Bank, UBA, GTB, Access, any bank of your choice. You can withdraw to it. However, before you can be allowed to withdraw, you need to buy a glass. Okay, remember, to earn on Cheelee, you need Cheelee glasses and you need to buy a glass. And the glass I'm going to advise you and recommend you to buy, if you are on a budget, you want to buy a small glass, buy the Element glass. I think it's $6.18. Buy that glass. Once you buy that glass, you'll be able to withdraw. And the good thing here is that after withdrawing for the first time with that glass, you don't need to buy glass again to withdraw. Do you understand what I'm saying? You don't need to buy glasses again to withdraw, so you can always continue to withdraw and withdraw and withdraw for as long as you want. Okay, and in order for you to buy the glass, it's very easy. Just go to the marketplace on your Cheelee app. You're going to see marketplace there. Click on it. You're going to see all of the glasses available. Buy the one that you can afford, and if you're on a budget, don't be tempted by that $1 and $3 glass. Don't be tempted by that $1 and $3 glass. Is not going to benefit you. The one that will benefit you that is still cheap is that $6.18 glass. Okay, so buy that one so that you'll be able to withdraw your money, and then you can continue to withdraw as long as you want. And if you're also a content creator, you know, just post content once a day. Well, even if you're not a content creator, you're just a lazy creator, you just like to, you know, just maybe you just do 1 or 2 TikTok videos, you can post your videos as well on the platform if you want. And if you post your videos on the platform and people find it interesting, they can donate for you, they can gift you, just like the way people gift people on TikTok. They give you rose, lion, all those things. They can gift you on the app as well, but this time is money they gift. Do you understand? It's money, so they can gift you. And you know, you don't need to have 1,000 followers before they gift you, even if you have 0 followers. If your video reaches somebody that wants to give you, they will give you. There's nothing, you understand what I'm saying? So that one is not you don't need to have a certain number of followers to be able to enjoy that benefit on like other platforms. Okay, so aside from that as well, you can also refer your friends. So do you understand? That is another way you can earn as well. Remember, I told you earlier that you can go to the link in the description of this video and use my link to sign up and get a $3 sign up bonus. You can equally share your own link with your friends after you've signed up, you know, to get on the platform and earn as well. Anyways, I don't want this video to be long. I have a fuller tutorial on Cheelee and it's in the description of this video, so you can go and watch those fuller tutorials and learn. And until next time when I come your way again, keep being amazing. And don't forget, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to also subscribe, tap on the bell icon, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.